Hey, let me show you step by step how you can set up contactless payments on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro. It actually takes a lot of time, but it's working properly. So first of all, you have to start by opening the HUAWEI Health application. Go for Devices, select your Watch Fit 5 Pro. Now you have to go into the app gallery, wait for the loading screen, and here we have to download Curve Pay application on our Watch Fit 5 Pro. So just click on this installation button and that will be finished. Now, what we have to do, we have to open a browser. We have to input that phrase, app gallery, APK download. We have to simply download the app gallery store from Huawei. So we can do this, of course, from official Huawei website, and that's what I can recommend you. This is the safest way to get this tool. Click on this installation button. Wait just a few seconds until you will get this install app gallery button in your browser. You have to just click to download. And now, when downloaded, you will have to open, click on the installation button one more time. And if you got Unsafe app locked, click on the more details and select install anyway. If you have Samsung phone and you have the auto blocker information, you have to turn off auto blocker and the security and the privacy settings. Now you have to click open to get the app gallery on your phone, click next, click agree, and now we are here. We have to first of all download Curve Pay, the same that we have on our watch. So we have to get it, click on the installation button, click on the settings to allow installation on no apps from this source, go back, and now just repeat. And now we have to just wait for this downloading process. Now we have to also search for HMS Core. We have to also download this one because with the HMS Core, it will be not possible to use Curve Pay application. Now when you get this notification, you have to just click to install the Curve Pay, and the same with this HMS Core. If you have notification, just simply click on it. The same with Unsafe app blocked. Click on the install anyway, make verification with your Face ID, fingerprint, or for example, with your screen password. Now open the HMS Core for the first time, and now you have to log in by using your Huawei ID, the same that you have on your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. This is the most important thing. Do not use Google Way. Just simply input your details. Now we have to get a verification code from your email. So click to get a code, and now just go for your inbox on your email. So you will receive this email from Huawei. You have to copy that verification code. And now you have to put this code over here and click OK to go forward. Just wait for verification and now open HMS Core one more time. You don't have to set up emergency contacts right now. You can select later. And now we successfully sign in. So now it's actually time to open the Curve Pay application on our phone. Now we have to click to get started. And now if you already have account, click to sign up for free or sign in. Accept all of those notifications and now input your phone number. Now we have to input the verification code that you have received on your phone number that you have input and just simply click continue. Now input email address to easily recover your account if you have some problems in the future. Now create a passcode. Confirm with the same passcode. Now we have to input all of your information about you. When you input everything, just click continue. Click continue again. You can input your home address. Now we have to confirm your details. Click continue. Select employment type. Click done. Now click to get started. And now you have to simply choose your document and simply scan one of it. So it's passport, driving license, resident permit, or national identity card. And after you did it, after you simply enable the camera and grant all of those permissions, you have to position the front of your document in this frame. And after you will verify yourself, you will be also able to add your payment card. And if you successfully set up this Curve application on your phone, you have to just open your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, go for Curve Pay application, and here you will be able to find your payment card.